The 5,000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer boasts an impressive maximum pressure of 5,000 pounds per square inch, making it highly effective for tough cleaning jobs. Equipped with an upgraded spray handle with digital pressure control, this pressure washer allows users to easily adjust the pressure settings with a touchscreen for precision. The smart design includes 4 anti-tipping, rotating wheels that offer excellent mobility, allowing the washer to move effortlessly across various surfaces. This model features a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, enhancing energy efficiency and extending the pump's lifespan. With 5 quick connect nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees and a soap setting, the washer can tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks from stubborn stains to delicate surfaces. Tongkan's dedication to quality is evident in this product, which includes safety features like a gun trigger safety lock, ensuring a secure and reliable cleaning experience.